Hey there, Psych Monkey fans! Welcome back to our channel. Did you know that only a small percentage of our viewers are subscribed? If you find our content helpful, consider hitting that subscribe button. It helps us with the YouTube algorithm and allows us to bring you more valuable mental health content. Thanks for being here. Do you struggle with dating? Do you find the whole process frustrating and wish you could meet your perfect match without all the hassle? Well, you're not alone. Dating can be tough, but we've got some advice to help you navigate the dating world with ease. Here are the top tips you'll ever need for dating success. Tip 1. Respect. Respect is the foundation of any healthy relationship. Trusting each other's intentions is crucial, and it all starts with respect. Healthy couples who last have mastered the art of communication and mutual respect. If your date is disrespectful, don't be afraid to express how you feel or recognize that it might not work out. And remember, respect goes both ways. Tip 2. Allow intimacy to progress naturally. It's easy to get carried away when you really like someone. But remember, it's just the first date. Honesty is important, but revealing too much too soon can add unnecessary pressure. Let intimacy develop naturally. Take it slow and allow your feelings to unfold at their own pace. Tip 3. Don't limit yourself to one type. We all have a picture in our minds of our ideal partner. But sometimes our type can limit us. Just because your date doesn't share all your interests or meet all your criteria doesn't mean they can't be a great match. Be open to new possibilities and you might be surprised by who you connect with. Tip 4. Communication is key. Communication is one of the most vital components of a successful relationship. Be honest with your date. If something is bothering you, express it. If you enjoyed your time together, let them know. Playing it cool or hard to get often backfires. Genuine communication builds stronger connections. Tip 5. Focus on who you are now. In the early stages of dating, focus on the person you are now rather than your past. While it's important to share your history eventually, the first few dates should be about getting to know each other in the present. Avoid dwelling on past mistakes or exes. Tip 6. Don't alter who you are. Stay true to yourself. Pretending to be someone you're not will only lead to attracting the wrong people. If you think your date would prefer a certain type of person, resist the urge to change your personality or style to fit that expectation. Authenticity is key to finding a genuine connection. Tip 7. Don't control the conversation. A successful date involves mutual interest. Don't dominate the conversation by only talking about yourself. Ask your date about their feelings and interests. It's about discovering if you're compatible, and that requires a two-way exchange. Tip 8. Be with someone for the right reasons. Make sure you're in a relationship for the right reasons. External pressures from friends, family, or societal expectations can cloud your judgment. Evaluate why you're with your partner. If being with them makes you genuinely happy, you're on the right track. Which of these tips will you take to heart? Are you navigating the dating world or have you already found your special someone? Share your experiences in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Psych Monkey. Hit the notification bell for more insightful content. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.